What are you digging holes in my yard for? All right, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here. Hurry up. Come here. Hurry up. Come here. Right here. Get it. Don't bite my finger now. You got kind of close that time. Did you hear what I said? Yeah. Oh, you're a gentle one. You are gentle. I think you're the one that touched what I got. This one, he ain't a gentle one, you know. He ain't a gentle right there sometimes. He got his and run off like a chop. Well, I wasn't scared of giving you that time. Yeah. You get there's one left now. I was gonna say I was gonna give one back spot one, but back spot he already had his. Back spot already had his. Oh, you can see how you are. I can see how you are. You didn't waste no time stealing it, did you? Mm-hmm. What are you messing with my thing for? Why did you do that? You need to pick all this up right here. You dropped it right now. What is it? I turned the water off. I put water in there for you. I put some water in there for you. And my finger's not a hot dog. Don't even think about it. It is a hot dog. You hear me? How about you? Okay. Boy, them mosquitoes. I think it's about 5:30, quarter till 6 in the morning. I couldn't tell you what day it is. I don't know if it's Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. I think it's Tuesday. Anyway, I gotta stop this video. Stop.